Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video and today we're going to be dealing with this natural hair. Y'all, my hair looks thicker than I remember. But anyways, I bought some new products, y'all, and as you can see, it's from TGIN and it's the new Rose Water collection. Also, I will not be using that mousse in this video. I have a separate video for that. But I did buy all 5 products in this collection. So as usual, I won't be showing you everything in this video, but I will be going through my regular wash day in the kitchen. I do prefer washing my hair in the bathroom, in the shower, but I will go ahead on with this Rose Water Sulfate-Free Hydrating Shampoo. And I'm gonna go drench my hair in this sink and we'll get started with this video. So with this collection, it says that this shampoo, it has rose water and acai berry. It also says that it is a gentle moisturizing shampoo for soft, smooth, frizz-free hair. And I would definitely say that it is very moisturizing. So yeah, it may not seem like it at first while applying it, but it definitely does moisturize your hair. As you can see, time I applied this to my hair, it foamed up immediately, y'all. Like it was great, y'all. I really enjoy shampoos that are sulfate free that immediately suds up with me. It makes me feel like I'm getting a deeper clean. It lets me know that I don't have to use the whole bottle of shampoo just to get the job done. But also, this shampoo, it doesn't claim, it says it's moisturizing. It definitely is that. I will say, while I applied it to my hair, it does not have slip at all. So this is not one of those shampoos that are moisturizing and you can also detangle with. And you can tell that it does a great job at cleansing the hair and the scalp. Also, I want to say, while I was washing it out, I didn't think it was doing much, but time I rinsed it out of my hair, the moisture came, y'all. It came. Look at these curls. They're popping and clump. They look amazing. So next, I'm just going to go in with the TGIN Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask. This also has rose water and acai berry in it. Now, I know a lot of people say that they've been getting different consistencies with this mask. Mine is very watery, which at first I was kind of like, I like thick leave-ins, but when I applied this to my hair, y'all, the slip, the moisture, the way my hair felt, it was a great feeling, y'all. It was a really great feeling. But I know some people did say their masks were thicker, and I was not one of those people to get the thicker kind of mask. So that's all I can say. It was very easy to apply. It had great slip. I was able to detangle pretty quickly with this mask on. Also, looking at the instructions, it says that you should place a plastic cap over your hair and sit under a dryer for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can leave it on your hair for up to 35 minutes to an hour without heat, and then rinse thoroughly, and then follow up with cool water. I did not follow up with cool water with this mask. I will tell you that right now. I know the cool water, I take that back. I don't do really cool water, but I do lower the temperature of the water once I do that final rinse of my hair mask or conditioners. It's not super hot steaming water that I put on my hair. I do try to seal it with cooler water, but it's not technically cool water, if you get what I mean. But yeah, as you can see, I'm applying this and y'all can see my curls are popping. My hair looks juicy. It is bouncy. I do have those sections of my hair that are just, you know, the struggle. Everyone has those struggle sections. But yeah, this really did add moisture into my hair. And just like the instructions said, I did place on a cap and I did sit under my dryer for about 15-20 minutes. And y'all, ever since I got that haircut, my shed has been very minimum. Like, if y'all think that was a lot of shed, I used to have clumps of hair coming out of my head until I got my haircut. So yeah, I just want to show y'all me applying it. So now it's all on my head, and I'm just gonna go on and put that shower cap on, and then I'm gonna sit under the dryer. And as you can see, you can tell that this this hair mask started to seep into my hair. Like, it weighed it down. It was looking all heavy and juicy. Like, look at it, y'all. Look at it. My hair looks so full in this video. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy that. Now I'm gonna stop talking. Sorry, I lied. I have some more things to say. But yeah, like earlier I said that this collection was great for fine hair. In case I did not let y'all know, or I haven't stressed it enough, My hair, I have very fine strands, but I have high density, I would say high to medium density fine hair. So my strands are fine, and I found that this collection really did work for my fine hair. So yeah, I'll let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. So I'm back. I finished sitting on the dryer, and now I'm going to go in with the Rose Water Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. This as well has rose water, and it also has acai berry, like everything in this collection, so I probably should start repeating that. But it says it's a gentle moisturizing leave-in conditioner for soft, smooth, frizz hair. Okay, this is getting very repetitive. I'm going to start reading these bottles after a while because they're not really telling me much. But yeah, I really did enjoy this product. I have used all of these products more than once now since I'm doing this voiceover. This leave-in made my hair feel super moisturized. Even up to about 3 to 4 days, my hair still felt moisturized. I only redid my hair because I got tired of my style. But yeah, the moisture is there. I feel like it sealed my hair in a way. My curls were popping. They were juicy. I had no problem stretching my hair, so I don't know if it just didn't have a lot of glycerin in it. And y'all know I don't like for a lot of glycerin to be in my products because I like to stretch my hair, and I'm in a place that has a lot of humidity, so I can't keep it stretched when there's glycerin in my products. But just look at it. I also did sit under the dryer with this on too in a shower cap just to let it seep into my hair more before going in with the next product. And I could really walk out the door with my hair looking like this. At least I felt like I could. So yeah, I really did enjoy this leave-in, and I will be using this every time I wash my hair. So lastly, for my styler, I am going in with the Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. It has rose water and acai berry. It says it's a soft, hold styling gel that reduces frizz, increases volume, and defines curls and waves. Y'all, when I tell you, I was shocked when I used this product. Earlier you saw me kind of bouncing on it. It's very jelly-like. It's not watery, it's not thick, it's bouncy, it's jelly. It's like jelly. That's the best way I can describe it. Y'all, I thought this was gonna do nothing, but time I put this on my hair, I felt like it just liquefied and just covered all my strands. It dispersed when I tell you. Like, look at it. It clumped my hair so great, y'all. I really enjoyed this gel. I've been using the mess out of this gel. I convinced my sister to use this gel because she has fine hair also. But yeah, I really did enjoy this gel, and may I mention, all of these products smell amazing. I won't say they smell like rose water because to me they don't. They smell a little more fruity and florally than, well, rose water, rose florally, but it smells fruitier than rose water, y'all. But yeah, I just wanted y'all to see me put this on my hair because I was amazed. I was truly amazed. Like, I usually shingle my hair, but when I put this gel on, the way it made my hair feel, I didn't feel like I needed to shingle. So I just basically rake through my hair with this product, and then I shake and release. But as you can see, my hair clumps really well. I will say this gel gives me so much shine, and that shine stays all the way through to when you dry your hair. And I'm not sure if anyone else has talked about this in their video, but this gel has medium hold, and it does have a little crunch to it once your hair is dry, but you can break that cast of the crunch very easily. But it definitely keeps definition. Even if you want to stretch your hair, the definition stays in your hair. So yeah, just want to let y'all know that. But I'm gonna just let y'all, excuse this dog, but I'm gonna let y'all finish watching me apply this gel to my hair. So before I sit under the dryer, I'm just going back through my hair and making sure all of the pieces are defined the way that I want them to be. And everything is looking good so far. I did go ahead and put my part in my hair, because you know those are pretty difficult once your hair is set in place. So I went on and did a middle part. Now I'm just checking those little, you know, teenage hairs in the front, and I'm gonna go sit under the dryer. This is my hair dry. It's pretty crispy right now, but I've heard with most of their gels, it's pretty easy to get rid of the cast. And most of the time when my hair is crunchy, after I get done stretching it with the blow dryer, it's usually soft. So I'm not too worried about the crunch, but I really like this gel. This gel applied like no other gel I've ever used before. It felt like no other gel I've used before, and it actually looks exactly the same way as when I put it on my hair. It dried the same way. Mind you, I did sit under a hooded dryer, so my hair did dry faster than just, you know, usual. So I did use a dryer. You know, I'm not mad at it. So I'm gonna just go ahead on. I did have to blow dry my roots because I didn't want to sit under the dryer any longer because I have somewhere to be. But yeah, everything is dry, and I'm just gonna go ahead on and just stretch my hair. I'm not gonna show that on camera, but I will come back and show y'all how my hair is looking after I go ahead and stretch it. So yeah. So I'm back, and this is how my hair is looking stretched. I feel like it shrunk up while I was doing my makeup, but I'm not gonna put any more heat on it today. So, but it looks really good. Like, I don't know how my back look, y'all. So also, I will say, you saw I use all products. So you saw I use all products out of this line, but I might have used a little too much gel because I did, or a little too much leave-in, because I did realize I do have a little floaties. You know, like when you shake your hair and move it, I do have some little flakes that like to float around, and I think in certain lightings I can actually see little floaties, but I don't see them in the camera, and I don't see them right now. When I actually went to go check for them, I couldn't see them, so it could have just been my lighting, but I do see like stuff floating whenever I play with my hair and move it and stuff. Overall, I do enjoy this line. I will be using it. Again, I plan on actually playing around with the mousse, and I might make a video on that, but I'm actually really excited to use this because I want to put it to test against the Dews Most Def. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.